As we get ready to ring in 2025, many of us are wondering, what will the new year bring for the stock market? The first thing I've been thinking about is the S&P was up over 20% in both 2023 and 2024. There are two ways to view this. The first would be to say a year like 1928 was an excellent year with the market up 43.8%, but it was followed by 1929 and the major stock market crash. The opposing view would be to look at the 1990s and to realize the years from 1995 to 1999 were all incredibly strong years. So, which view is correct? One of the things I've been thinking about is that the S&P 500 has not had a 15% or greater correction in quite some time. As we can see in the chart, recent pullbacks have been contained to around 10 to 11%. Historically, the market is due for a decline of over 15%. Even if we look at the period of the 1990s as an example, we need to note that the S&P 500 fell over 19% from July 17th, 1998 to August 31st, 1998. Even though the S&P 500 was up over 25% that year, there was a large decline that did not make things easy. I'm also watching the potential for a blow-off move and climax run in leaders such as Nvidia, ALAB, App, Palantir, and Reddit. These stocks have been incredibly strong, and these type of moves sometimes end in a blaze of glory as a frenzy of buying takes over. I could very well see that happening again in these names. While 2024 was a great year for the S&P 500 in certain names, many stocks struggled. A quick look at the advanced decline line shows how poor participation has been. This type of divergence can't last forever. Remember, when they raid the bar, they take the piano player too. Even the most popular leading stocks will be taken down when the market corrects. And as market breadth gets smaller and smaller, we get closer to that happening. Just about this time last year, I declared 2024 as the year of Bitcoin. 2024 was indeed a fantastic year for Bitcoin. But what about 2025? I still believe there is some juice left in the lemon, and Bitcoin will see much higher prices in 2025. If things play out like they have in prior cycles, Bitcoin will surpass 200,000 at some point in 2025. However, parabolic moves in Bitcoin will likely lead to a multi-year top and a fierce bear market in 2026. This is how prior cycles played out, and there's a very good chance that the same scenario may happen again. While I may have laid out some things I'm looking for in 2025, I am by no means attached to any of this. The market does what it wants, and I've learned to listen to the story that is being told. I'll quickly abandon all my views if the market tells me I'm wrong. As Jesse Livermore remarked, markets are never wrong. Opinions often are. If you want to take anything from this post into 2025, let it be that. Risk right, sit tight.